Discover the astonishing beauty secrets of baking soda. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Let's begin. Long hailed as a kitchen essential, baking soda holds countless benefits for your beauty regimen too. Let's delve into the world of this unassuming household ingredient and transform it into your beauty ally. The first beauty secret of baking soda is its ability to whiten teeth. Simply by brushing with a paste of baking soda and water, it can help remove surface stains, giving you a brighter and more confident smile. Did you know baking soda makes for a remarkable exfoliant? Mixed with water, this natural scrub clears away dead skin cells, revealing the fresh, glowing skin beneath. It's also an excellent remedy for blackheads and acne. It neutralizes the pH of your skin, preventing the growth of bacteria that can lead to breakouts. Are you battling with dull and lifeless hair? Baking soda can be the answer. Its clarifying properties remove product buildup, restoring your hair's natural shine. For those with sensitive skin, baking soda's anti-inflammatory properties can soothe irritation and reduce redness. A simple paste can help calm skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Baking soda also works wonders as a natural deodorant. It neutralizes the acids responsible for unpleasant body odors, keeping you fresh all day long. Struggling with dry hands and feet? Try a baking soda soak. This softens the skin, making it easier to exfoliate and moisturize. Here's a tip for sun lovers. Baking soda can also be used as an after-sun treatment. It soothes sunburns and prevents peeling, promoting faster recovery. And the magic doesn't stop there. Baking soda can also help to brighten dark under-eye circles and reduce puffiness, reviving your tired eyes. In the fight against yellow nails, baking soda is a powerful ally. A simple soak can help to bleach and strengthen your nails, making them look fresh and healthy. Feeling the effects of a long day on your feet? Soothe your aching soles with a baking soda foot bath. It's a relaxing way to reduce inflammation and soften calluses. In conclusion, baking soda is not just a cooking ingredient. It's a beauty powerhouse, capable of tackling a wide array of beauty concerns. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.